The inspiration behind the design was to go for a little bit of a retro neon look to it, but also combining that with the modern side of the manufacturing process. My name is William Tully. I'm an industrial designer for Eureka Lighting. We really wanted to showcase the 3D printing. It allows you to make some shapes that you wouldn't easily do with an extrusion, for example. So having a light source that was able to adapt to all these different shapes was essential to the product, so we could have the same glow no matter the shape that we printed. Apart from the plastic and the brackets that really give it a little pop of color, we didn't want to have any power cables, wanted to keep the fixture as pure as possible. So we integrated a power over aircraft system to light it up. So it gives you a floating minimalist look in your space and looks a lot cleaner. We had a few tests. The clear plastic is something that really caught our eye. The refraction of the light that came out of it allowed us to play with something that was really beautiful with the part. When you look at it from any angle, it always gives off something different. So it's a nice centerpiece to have. It's something that you want to walk around and really inspect. It was a bit of exploration with the material, how the light refracted inside of it, but we also wanted to keep a bit of a mysterious, intriguing look without knowing too much where the light comes from. We're really embracing its natural look. You can tell how it's made by looking at the texture behind it. It's something that I think elevates the fixture to a new level, and that's what makes the fixture unique.